Our top story, the Bank of Korea has delivered an unprecedented 50 basis point rate hike. It's the bank's first ever hike of that magnitude and the first time ever that it has raised rates in three straight meetings. The decision comes to tame inflation that's running at a near 24-year high amid soaring global energy and commodity prices. Eum Ji-young has the details.
South Korea's central bank has raised its benchmark interest rate by half a percentage point for the first time in history. It has raised its key interest rate to 2.25%. The 50 basis point increase, the so-called big step, is the largest single increase by the Bank of Korea since it implemented interest rates as its primary policy tool in 1999. This also is the first time ever that the Bank of Korea has adjusted the rate upward 3 times in 3 straight meetings. The central bank previously raised its key interest rate by 25 basis points both in May and in April. The government has been pursuing a tighter monetary policy since August last year amid growing global inflationary pressure. The decision was made during a monetary policy meeting on Wednesday morning to rein in inflation, running at nearly 24-year high. South Korea's consumer prices are seeing the biggest on-year increase since 1998 during the Asian financial crisis. The consumer price index last month surged by 6% from the year before, well above the government's inflation target of 2%, and the bank said it's going to stay above 6% for a while. Also, the Bank of Korea's monthly survey of roughly 2,500 households in June showed that the public's expectations of future inflation are at their highest level in a decade. The central bank said in June that consumers expect inflation to average at 3.9% over the next 12 months. The decision to raise rates also comes as it could help prevent further weakening of the Korean won against the greenback. The won tumbled more than 9% against the US dollar this year, with the exchange rate hitting a 13-year high. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.